In our For the People coverage tonight, today in court, a showdown of sorts about whether a ban on camping within 1,000 feet of certain places should be left up to Spokane voters. The question was added to the ballot after a unanimous vote from the Spokane City Council earlier this year. But some groups are saying voters are not allowed to make this type of decision. The lawsuit is asking the judge to strike this question from the ballot. The defendant, local attorney Brian Hansen, who is spearheading this initiative, says this will protect children, but opponents say it criminalizes being homeless. Today, both sides argued if this initiative is even able to be decided by voters or if it is something that needs to be put in place by an administrative entity like the City Council.
Existing rules that the City Council has passed were done exercising two sources of authority: zoning and land use, and homelessness planning and response. And both of those are given exclusively to the City Council. So once the city exercises this authority using those exclusive powers, it's not subject to modification through the local initiative process.
The defense argued the law giving that power to local governments does not address the specifics of camping near schools, daycares, and parks, and therefore doesn't apply in this case. He also referenced other larger cities who have adopted similar ordinances, like Los Angeles, where you cannot camp within 500 feet of schools, daycares, and parks.
Like every single case that has been cited by both sides in this case, the Proposition 1 consists of a single sentence. That is the entirety of the new language that's added by this initiative. That makes it distinguishable from every single other case that is operating here.
Spokane already has an anti-camping law which prohibits people from camping along the Spokane River, Latah Creek, and under viaducts unless there's no shelter space available. If passed, this initiative would be added on to that law, and law enforcement would choose how to enforce it. The judge saying he will release his written decision early next week.